Welcome to Officer 24/7. My name is Niharika Walia Bhatnagar and I am with you with the area of accounting and financial management for bankers. How are we, everyone? I hope we are doing good. We were discussing company accounts. Today I've got some really good questions. When I say this, I think today I've got a lot of theory 1 marker, 0.5 marker questions like we did in the last class we did was practical part. So I thought let's give you a breather and give you some concept based questions to practice to boost up your confidence. Acha, everyone, first thing, please like this session if you haven't done it yet. Secondly, share the session and subscribe to the channel right away because we are putting up so many things for you. Each and every effort is exclusively for all those bankers who are preparing for this examination. है ना? Chaliye everyone, let's begin with the session. First of all, have you taken up our courses yet? If you haven't, then please hurry up and take up our courses right away because the time is ticking away, everyone. Every single course that you are taking up, every single hour that you are spending towards your preparation is going to take up is going to help you to reach the ultimate area where you can clear this examination altogether. Acha, look at this everyone. In the JIB and CIB area, this is our courses. JIB, CIB, Mahapack, Crash Course 2.0, Crash Course 2.0, Bilingual English Medium, both are available. Along with this AFM batch, Numerical Excellence is also available. These are all going on. That means if you're planning for this examination, then what are we exactly waiting for? You should definitely go ahead and click on the area of Crash Course. Click on the area of Buy Now. Click on the area of Why 541 because this will give you 80% discount right away. 80% discount is a huge discount, everyone. It would cost you hardly 4,200 rupees and actually less than that. This would be actually 3,999 if you download the app. 3,999, 4,000 rupees for 6 months. Not even 1,000 per month is there. This is available in terms of crash course, test series available, ebooks are available. One of the best things to look forward is this. But what if you're also preparing for the revision batch and you want to have some details over it as well? Because obviously we want the details of certain topics as well. Certain topics require more practice than others. So take up the Mahapack right away. Click on the area of Mahapack. Use the code Y541. And don't get it for 6 months anymore. Get it for 1 year. Because for 1 year you have to pay 6,000. If you download the app right away, you'll have to pay 6,000. So think about it. 6 months 4,000, and if you go for 12 months, it is for 6,000. Isn't it a better option? Just pay 2,000 more and get it for entire year. And that is really helpful because not only the entire year validity is available, but also our marathons, Mahamarathons, our comprehensive classes, English medium, bilingual, revision batch, crash course, numerical batch, you name the batch, and each and every single batch is covered in this. So there's nothing bigger than our Mahapack. So check it out on our website and our app for further details, everyone. Don't forget to use the code Y541 to get this specific offer right away. Okay, everyone, let's continue with the session. We were discussing the company accounts, everyone. Here comes the first question for you. Go ahead and answer. Okay, so first question says which of the following is true about the financial statements? Financial statements gives the summary of accounts, or the financial statements can be stated as recorded facts. Only one, only two, both one and two, or none of the above. According to you, what's going to be the answer, everyone? Is it only one? Is it only two? Or both? Chaliye, let's look at the answer there. If you look at this specific area, the answer is both are true, right? Financial statements gives a summary of accounts, it's true. It gives a summary of the entire accounts. Secondly, when we talk about this specific area, it also talks about the financial statements that can be stated as recorded facts. So in this case, the correct answer is both 1 and 2. Premium received on issue of shares cannot be utilized for the issue of bonus shares, for writing the preliminary expenses, for providing premium payable on redemption, or for distribution of dividend. Premium on issue is security premium, everyone. When we talk about the security premium, where can we, there's a place specific area na, where we cannot use it at all. So what's that specific area altogether? Premium received on issue of shares. It cannot be utilized for issue of bonus. It can be used for preliminary expenses. It can be used, right? It cannot be used for distribution of dividend. You cannot use it to distribute dividend. You can use it everywhere else. It is allowed to be used. Okay? Chaliye, next question, everyone. Fixed deposits appear in the balance sheet under current account, current liabilities, long-term provisions, or long-term borrowing. Everyone, please remember, in this case, this is company, not a banking company. I know for a banking company, FDs are for them, it is always a liability because they have to pay now. People have deposited money into their account. So people have given money to them. So in this case, what will happen? The correct answer would be long-term borrowing. Right? Fixed deposits appear in the balance sheet as long-term borrowing. Done? Chaliye. Next question, everyone. Dash appear in the company's balance sheet under the subhead short-term provision. Interest accrued but not due on borrowings, provision for tax or unpaid dividend, or calls in advance. Dash appears in the company's balance sheet under the subhead of provision. Provision is basically a certain amount of money that you have to pay in the upcoming future, and even you know the exact amounts even. So provision can be stated as provision for income tax. Income tax is covered in this area because we pay tax according to the current prevailing interest rates, which are tax rates which are going on for a company. It is normally 30%. For certain companies it is actually 25%, and for a certain amount of companies it is an exceptional rate of 22 as well. So this is the interest rates for the companies. Done. Which of the following item is shown under the head current assets while preparing the balance sheet, everyone? Trade investments, underwriting commission, inventories, or the livestock? What's going to be the answer according to you? Which of the following can be stated as this? Trade investments, current assets are basically the investments which you have gained in your business. है ना? In this case, what will we do? When we talk about the specific area of current assets are those assets which we use in the business, isn't it? We use specific things in the business. So what do we do in this case, everyone? In this case, the correct answer is inventories. Okay? Current assets are those assets which are used in the business. So, the correct answer is inventories. Inventories matlab the goods that we are supposed to sell. Everyone, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe to our channel right away, because it is super important that we are dealing with the specific topics from the best areas. So why don't you check out our courses right away on our app, and at the same time, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then go ahead and subscribe it as well, as all the offers and everything that we do in our regular courses is stated there. है ना? So everybody, let's continue and talk about the next part. Acha, share capital of a company consists of 5 lakh shares of rupees 10 each. Acha, theek hai. 8 called up. We haven't called the entire amount, everyone. We have called hardly 8 rupees. So if we have called 8 rupees, what are we going to do in this case? All the shareholders have duly paid the called amount. They have paid the amount. Share capital will be shown as subscribed and fully paid, subscribed but not fully paid, any of the above or none of the above. People have taken up the shares, but obviously we haven't asked them to pay the entire amount yet, isn't it? So if we haven't asked them to pay the entire amount yet, so what's going to be the answer in this case? Subscribed but not fully paid. Done? Let's talk about the next part. Which of the following purpose is served from the preparation of trial balance? Everyone? Which of the following purpose serves the trial balance? Trial balance is basically what? Trial balance is actually a statement. This is actually a statement to check the arithmetical accuracy or to ascertain the balance of the ledger, to facilitate the preparation of the final accounts promptly, or all of the above. What's going to be the answer? The answer to this question is going to be all of the above. Basically, it is just done as a conclusive proof of arithmetical accuracy, and this is where it ends. Other than arithmetical accuracy, it can never say things are going to happen in this manner or that manner. It just gives only and only one view. Done, everyone? For which of the following share premium account may be applied? Where do we apply the share premium account, everyone? Which of the following share premium account may be applied? Issue of fully paid bonus shares, writing off the preliminary expenses, writing off the expenses of commission, matlab the fictitious assets. Or all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Done. Next question. At present, a company can issue the preference shares for which are irredeemable, number one, they are redeemable after the year of 20 years of date of issue, or before 20 years or 25 years. As per infrastructure companies, it can be redeemed by maximum 30 years. For infrastructure companies, for normal company, the limit is by maximum 20 years you have to get it done. That's a specific rule, everyone. Done. Basically, preference shares are always redeemable. Matlab you have to pay within a specific time tenure. They are never there for the entire day in the business. Nobody is in the entire day, entire life of the business actually. Nothing's gonna be there in the business for the entire life of the business. Everything has a specific life altogether. Done, everyone? The answer is 20 years. When shares are allotted, they will be created to which account? When we are giving shares, that means 30%, 90% of the shares have been subscribed by someone. These are share capital account. Then next point is share allotment account, share application account, or share first and final account. Everyone, what's going to be the answer according to you? Shares, when shares are allotted, ultimately when people are, first of all, people get the shares. Matlab, first of all, whatever money we receive, now it goes into the bank. Once that money goes into the bank account, then what happens? If it's a bank account, what's gonna happen? Share capital, share allotment, share application, or share first and final call? The correct answer is share capital account. The entire money gets into the specific area of share capital account. Done, everyone? That's the answer. Profit on forfeiture and reissue of the equity is credited to dividend equalization reserve, or general reserve, or capital reserve, or security premium. The correct answer to this question is actually capital reserve. The extra money, everything is used in the capital reserve. Done, everyone? It's an important area altogether. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Premium on redemption of redeemable preference shares. When you are paying off the preference shares and it is redeemable in nature, it goes into the capital redemption reserve account, existing share premium account, or proceed to fresh issue of the shares, or all of the above. Premium on redemption of redeemable preference shares. In our country we can only issue redeemable preference shares, so it can be paid off out of existing share premium. Share premium account can be used to pay off new share premium. ठीक है? Done, everybody? Okay, everyone. Done. Last question. Contingent liabilities would appear where? Contingent liabilities are those liabilities which we haven't really fixed up that we are supposed to pay, right? This amount is something that we haven't decided. It is still very much uncertain. So what do we do? So on the liability side of the balance sheet, asset side of the balance sheet, remember only the certain things are there in the balance sheet. Then it should be a part of your as an as a note in the balance sheet, as a footnote rather. Okay, so this would be covered as, it would be shown as the note in the balance sheet. Done. Chali everyone, before I end my session, let's go back to our website again, and let me tell you the best thing that you can do is currently just go and take up our courses right away. Do not wait at all, everyone. It is super duper important to take our courses, and at that too at the right time, because the courses have just started and this would be really beneficial for you in terms of your growth.